let me show you a kind of a cool thing with triangles. So yesterday we were doing the thing where we had a triangle here, right? And let's say that I knew this angle is 85 degrees and this angle is 150 degrees, right? And so I'd go through the work and I'd say, okay, well, I know that these two angles, we're gonna call this one angle A and this one angle B. Okay. And I know that A plus 150 equals 180. And then I'm going to subtract 150 from both sides. And then I find that A equals 30 degrees. And then I use that, and I turn around and I say A plus B plus 85 equals 180. And then I have A equals 30, so 30 plus B plus 85 equals 180. So let's see, B plus 115 equals 180. We're gonna minus 115 minus 115, and B equals, let's see, 180 minus 110 is 70, minus another 5 is 65 degrees. And it was kind of, I mean, it's a process, but we got it, right? We got that this is 65 and this one was 30 degrees, and it's a little bit of a process. So I'm going to show you kind of a nifty trick. So I'm going to draw this triangle. Again, this time I'm not going to have any numbers. I'm just going to label them. A, B, C, and D. Okay. So I know that A plus B plus C equals 180. Right? We discovered that yesterday. I think we're solid. I also know that A plus D equals 180. So look at this. A plus B plus C equals 180. A plus D equals 180. Do you guys see the connection? What if we set these two equal to each other? Because they both equal 180, so we can set them equal to each other. So A plus B plus C equals A plus D. Do you guys see that? Which makes sense. This is 180, 180, and this is 180, 180. Now I'm going to subtract A from both sides. And it goes away. Goodbye, A. It's nice knowing you. B plus C equals D. What? So let's look at this over here. Do they really? 85 plus 65. 85 plus 65. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1. 150 equals 150. Boom! So let's see what this means for us. Let's pretend that this angle is, let's call it 160 degrees. I don't think it's really, I think it's a little bit smaller than that, but that's okay. And then let's say that this angle up here is 95 degrees. Okay? So what is this angle? What's angle Peter? We're going to call this angle Peter. Okay, so we have 160 degrees, we have 95 degrees. So this is this angle right here, 160 equals Peter plus 95. Subtract 95 from both sides, minus 95 from both sides, and we get that this is, I'm gonna do this trick, 65 degrees. Peter is 65 degrees. Should we test it? See if it's for real? Let's see. So this is 160 degrees, and this will be 20 degrees. Does 65 plus 95 plus 20 really equal 180? 65, 95, 20. We know that these are 0, and we're going to do this. And then 1 and 9 is 10, and then it's 180. Boom! and look at that, and it worked beautifully. So I'm going to talk to you about some vocabulary. There's some vocabulary that's important to know here, okay? So we've got these angles, right? And this, I'm going to extend these out. Just like that, okay? These angles right here, I'm going to make them a different color. You're going to have two different colors here. These angles in that beautiful hot pink color. These are interior angles, okay? They are interior angles because they are on the interior of the triangle. If I was painting this triangle, these angles would be painted with the interior paint. In the blue, these angles are, see if you can guess it. If these are interior, what are these? Guess, guess, guess. I'm going to feel the essence of your answer through this computer. They are exterior angles. So there's a theorem. And it says that the sum of an angle, the exterior angle, is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So remote one, wait, interior angles were in pink. So remote 1 plus remote 2. What in the world? What do we mean by remote angles? Well, think about the remote control that you have. The remote control that you have makes it so that you can use your TV from far away, right? So the exterior angle is equal to the two far away angles on the inside added to each other, which is what we kind of already figured out. So this exterior angle is the sum of these two angles that are on the inside that are far away. So let's look at the assignment here. Okay, because we've got the math on the inside isn't too hard, but the stuff on the outside, okay, so it says name an exterior angle and the related remote interior angles. So an exterior angle, oh, look, here's an exterior angle, and it's RXY. What are the two related remote interior angles? So what are the two remote interior angles that would add up to RXY? And we've got angle Z and angle Y. Z and Y. Angle Z and angle Y. Show that the measure, I'm going to help you with this one, okay? Show that the measure of an exterior angle is equal to the sum of the measures of all of the related remote interior angles. So we know that X plus Y plus Z equals 180 degrees. We also know that angle RXY plus angle X, right? We're going to call this one angle X, equals 180. So we're doing just exactly what we did before. We're going to set these two equal to each other. X plus Y plus Z equals angle RXY plus angle X. We're going to subtract X from both sides, subtract X from both sides. Y plus Z is equal to angle RXY, right? Which is what we said. These are the two remote interior angles. They're the ones that are far away, and that's our exterior angle. The rest of the assignment is pretty much just math things. They're what we've been doing. So some of them, like find the measure of angle X, well, this is on a straight line, so we just do 180 minus 121. Some of them, we're going to need, oh, here's the remote interior angle, 129 is this one plus this one. And you can play with it like that. I think you're going to be good to go. The assignment isn't tremendously long. There's only a couple, and so I think you'll be fine. Have fun, good luck, and let me know if you have any problems. Bye.